Hello. I'm going to be quick, but I wanted to make this as a PSA for the Young Money Moguls group and to all of those connected to me, all of our affiliates, all of our partners, all of the students, mentees, all of my haters. I wanted to talk with you guys because fast money is gone fast as well. And a lot of you are out there looking for fast, get rich quick things. I understand, I've done it before. I was there trying to do, drop shipping and a whole lot of other different things. But the one thing that I have learned, okay, I started my business in 2019, it's now 2021. One thing that I have learned is that fast money will be gone fast. So you need to find things that you can set up in systems, and not only systems, but that you can set up and they work for you, okay? All right, because we think we get this fast money, it's gonna be gone fast. You need to learn how to enjoy the process, get things that stick, get things that work. Hey, Demetrius, glad to see you. Get things that are actually going to be longevity, okay? You need to look at stuff and you need to look at it and assess it and be like, okay, can I see myself doing this in 5 years? Can I see myself doing this in 10 years? Can I see myself doing this in 20 years? If you cannot see yourself continually to do it, don't do it, okay? Because fast money, we think, oh, I need money right now. Let me hurry up and get in these quick things. Your money will be gone just that fast, okay? Learn from me. Learn from my mistakes, all right? I want to see you guys prosper. I want to see you guys grow. I want to see you guys live in prosperity. And prosperity doesn't just come fast. It is something that is maintained over time, okay, you guys? So remember, fast money leaves you fast as well, okay? So you want to learn how to have the longevity in a business, have the longevity in whatever endeavor that you go into so that you are able to stand strong in the end, okay? I don't want you losing money quick, but I do want you to make some money and make it good and substantially, okay? Pray you guys have a great day.